very warm welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Sri Malka Komaraya Sir, Junior Principal, Cambridge International, Ms. Shanti Ma'am, dear parents, teachers, and our super little graduates. I'm Ms. Harsha. And I'm Ms. Shirin, and we will be your hosts for today's graduation day ceremony. It's a pleasure to guide you through this special program as we celebrate the achievements of our little graduates. Today is a day filled with pride, joy, and a little bit of happy emotion. Our tiny learners who once walked into school holding tiny bags and big curiosity are now ready to take their next big step. So let's celebrate their laughter, learning, friendships, and their beautiful journey. Let's begin this wonderful celebration with a big round of applause for our little graduates who are about to enter the auditorium. We now invite our respected Junior Principal, Cambridge International, Ms. Shanti Anthony Ma'am, and a few grandparents to kindly come forward and do the lamp lighting ceremony. To learners, always be filled with wisdom, confidence, and bright opportunities.
My warm regards and namaste to all my dear parents, grandparents. A very, very important graduation day because after this you have 15 years to wait. Yes or no? Yes. And by then it's going to be a very, very huge transformation with the age where digital and AI is, sort of rapidly growing. 15 years from now, sometimes we educationists are trying to reimagine how the world would be. But I feel there's a very nice thing to take away from this graduation day is the glow and grow moments. This year is going to be special for you because they are glowing with lots of things. Completing 3 years of early years program, they say first 5 years the child's entire brain development happens. So they are glowing with a lot of knowledge, a lot of social emotional development that's happening, relations that they have built, knowing that they can love, filled with joy. They're far away from the world's, I would say sometimes chaos, its own joys and, its own challenges. But now as they step into grade 1, it's a very, very important moment, dear parents. I see, early years parents are always there. But suddenly when they start going to primary and then middle school, you feel, okay, now you're independent. You should start doing things on your own. But I know there's a lot of parents who are also highly invested. But remember, dear parents, keep your glow, the joy that is there in your heart always, no matter where and how your children are, and continue to have your grow moments also. The important part is there will be a lot of times they're going to feel very happy. These days, children, how are you feeling? The first word they don't say sad or I'm disturbed. The first word comes is depressed. I am stressed. Very heavy words and choices. So it's very, very important that in their growth, you are there with them saying that no matter what, we are there for you. And this is how you were 3 years when you were just completing 5 and you had your graduation ceremony. You were that happy, that ready for the world. And today, also you will continue to be there. So please continue your journey of glow and growth through the years of primary, middle school. As our children, yes, today's children have lot many challenges than we had. We just had TV and we were much more disciplined and we heard to everybody. We used to listen to everyone. But today's children are overloaded with everything in terms of information. So in an age where information is so heavy, our role has to be very, very relevant in guiding them. So all of us actually become like mentors. So continue to mentor your children. As we at Cambridge also are invested highly in mentoring your children, and we will continue to do so.
With pride and cheer, ready to start a new school I'll work and play. Learn new things. Every day. I promise to learn. And always try. To reach for dreams. To aim so high. With being respected principal ma'am, management, JP ma'am, teachers and their parents, we are the proud students of Cambridge and the years, EVTH and EVTK, and we are here to present our graduation day celebration. This is a very special moment for us as we celebrate our learning, growth, and beautiful memories. Today, we stand here with happy hearts, ready to shine and make you proud. Welcome to our graduation day. I glow when I march smartly and stand up. I want to become a police officer to take march past. I glow when I imagine new things and upgrade myself and become Iron Man. I want to grow and become Iron Man. I glow when I show courage and bravery helps me grow bold. I glow when I help others to feel safe as kindness helps me grow. I want to become a police officer and help people. I glow when I do my best and help my friends because I am brave and kind. I glow every day and get closer to my big dreams of becoming a brave firefighter. I glow when I run fast. I play with my friends. I glow to become champion. I glow when I listen to others and help them find an answer because I'm a good friend. I grow one step closer to become a lawyer. We, the better start of Cambridge early year, EVTK and EVTL, are thrilled to welcome you to our grand graduation day. From tiniest step to giant leap, today we celebrate a wonderful journey of learning, laughter, friendship, and endless memories. Thank you. I glow when I stand for what is right and follow rules correctly. I grow into a brave police officer. I glow with confidence as I speak clearly and share my ideas. I grow each day closer to becoming a builder. Knowledge. I grow each day and dream of becoming a doctor. I glow when I see tall buildings. I want to become a builder and build tall buildings. I glow when I learn about flying high as my dreams grow. I want to become a pilot because I love flying aeroplanes. I glow when I complete my work as it helps me grow and become a class student. I glow when I help people to care for others. I want to become a doctor and treat people. I glow when I draw pictures of homes as my imagination helps me grow. I shine as a leader when I guide my friends and share what I learned. With this leadership, I grow into a caring teacher. I glow when I show love for my country. I want to become an Indian Army for protect my country. I carry focus and unity in all that I do. These values I become stronger. I pursue a soldier. I like my dreams all. I imagine flying high above the clouds. With this courage and determination, I grow into a confident, skilled pilot. I grow with compassion as I care for others. With this kindness, I grow into thoughtful doctor. I grow with compassion and dedication in everything I do. I want to grow into a child specialist and help every child stay healthy and smile happily. I follow rules with honesty and stand firm to help whenever needed. spirit. With courage in my heart, I grow toward strong and responsibility. Police officer, wise choices, as it helps my character grow. I want to become a police officer and catch thieves. When I imagine flying high, I want to become a pilot because I love flying aeroplanes. I think creatively and grow stronger in math every day. And I focus hard and become a world-class runner like Usair Bolt. I shine with curiosity as I learn about health and the human body. With this learning, I grown into a caring dog. I stand with confidence as I improve my balance and riding skills. With time and effort, I grow more stronger and I become a better cyclist. I glow when I show kindness as my heart grows. I want to become a doctor to treat people. I want to become a cricketer. I play for India. And with strength, through teamwork and discipline, with unity, with courage, I grow stronger and prepared to become a soldier. I glow with kindness as I support my friends and share knowledge. By helping others learn, I grow into a wonderful teacher. Today I stand with pride and cheer. Ready to start a new school year. I'll be kind. I'll work and play. Learning new things every day. I promise to learn and always try to reach our dreams, to aim so high. With love and kindness and heart so true, I will do my best in all I do. I have learned, I have grown. So many new things I have known. With love and kindness, I will share and always do my best with care. Thank you. Morning, respected principal ma'am, junior principal ma'am, teachers and dear parents. We are the proud students of Cambridge Early Years, EY3F and EY3G, and we are here to present our graduation day celebration. This is a very special moment for us as we celebrate our learning, growth, and beautiful memories. Today, we stand here with happy hearts, ready to shine and make you proud. Welcome to our graduation day. I dream to become a teacher and start my own school. I want to become a dentist who helps everyone to keep their teeth strong. I glow. I look at the sky with confidence. I dream of become a pilot. I take my parents, teachers around the world. I want to become a brave fighter who keeps people safe. I grow with gentle hands, kind, healing with love, and a thoughtful doctor. I glow when I give colorful ideas. I wish to become an art teacher and discover magic of art. I glow when I stay focused and disciplined. I want to become an Air Force officer, and one day my country will be proud of me. I glow when I play with teamwork and passion. I dream of becoming a footballer and bring glory to the nation. I glow when I stand strong and fearless. I want to become a courageous firefighter who protects people during emergencies. I grow with bravery in everything I do. With courage, I grow stronger as I prepare to become a soldier. I glow with confidence. I want to become the police officer like my father and catch thieves. I glow when I build with care and responsibility. I glow when I create opportunities for others. I want to become a scientist that turns curiosity into discovery that helps society. I reflect wisdom as I think carefully and act responsibly. By making good decisions, I grow into a trustworthy police officer. I stand firm and fearless as I respect rules and help others. I glow when I spread kindness and dedication. Become a doctor who saves lives, spreads kindness, and achieves success. Glow with dreams of skies so blue, flying high as wishes come true. I glow with wings of courage and cheer, ready to soar far and near. I glow when I explore new ideas. I dream of becoming a dancer who tells stories through rhythm. I glow when I stand with justice. My dream of is to become a police officer to help the community and with kindness and responsibility. I glow with kindness day and night, helping others feel alright. I radiate leadership and fearlessness. With strong leadership, I grow confidently toward becoming an IITian. I have another dream of becoming a football player. A football player is someone who plays a game with the ball. They run fast, kick the ball, and score goals. Football players are super fit and strong. We work together as a team to win games. Maybe one day I will be a football star.
Good morning, respected parents. On behalf of the management, the earlier team, head of institution, I warmly welcome you all here. I'm sure you're all excited. It's a beautiful moment that today we are celebrating a milestone for the young early years. They were stepping out of the house. Some were happy, some were with a drop of tear. But today you can see how confident they are. They stand in front of you, they'll be speaking now, full of confidence. Early years of childhood, the children usually explore, express, and understand the world around them. We here at EY, we teach them how to learn, to make learning enjoyable, managing them in a proper way, and engaging them, it becomes very meaningful. And our motto, or the main thing which we do, developing them confidence, giving them confident how to become confident, communication skills, social skills, and also curiosity, develop curiosity in them. We can see all the teachers who are here, they're committed to nurture them in a safe, caring, and stimulating environment. Each and every child is unique, so we take care of their safety and also happiness. Happy children learn better. Today, I would like to thank all the teachers dedicated the work they have dedicated with so much sincerity. They show passion for their teaching, caring, and keep the children happy. And you parents, thanks for the support. You always have to be having that partnership. Thank you all. And I would like to congratulate all the graduates who will come up now, speak to you. Thank you.
Pledge. Today I stand with pride and cheer. With pride and cheer. Ready to start. A new school year. A new school year. I will be kind. I will work and play. Learning new things. Every day. I promise to learn. And always strive. To reach for dreams. To aim so high. With kindness. Love. And heart so true. I will do my best. In all I do. I have grown. So many new things. I have known. With love and kindness. I will share. And always do. My best with care. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Guhit. We are the proud learners of EYTC and D. Welcome to our graduation day. This special day celebrates our learning, laughter, and friendships. We sincerely thank our chairman sir, principal ma'am, JP ma'am, HM ma'am, teachers, parents, friends for their support. Let's celebrate this happy milestone together. Thank you. I glow when I sing, with blowing, with joy, as I each day to becoming a singer. I glow as I care for my friends. I do what is right. I grow into a future police officer. I grow with energy when I run, jump, and play with enthusiasm. By staying active, focused, confident. I glow when I listen to my friends, help my friends, and feel safe and happy. I grow into a wise and strong king. I glow when I run and play with lots of energy, staying healthy and happy. As I grow, I want to become a doctor, help sick people feel better. I glow when I read all my subjects with interest and joy. As I grow, I want to become an eye doctor and help people see better. Oh, when I listen and speak carefully and growing more confident every day. As I grow, I want to become a police officer and keep people safe. With excitement when I see aeroplanes flying high in the sky. As I grow, I want to become a pilot and take my family in my flight. I glow when I perform surgeries carefully and help children recover. With courage and learning, I glow into doctor. The signature plants are animals carefully by exploring, learning more, I grow into a teacher. He inspires others. Did my work sincerely. I am becoming more responsible. I am ready for class. As I grow, I want to become a doctor. I grow when I share joyful moments, laughter and festive fun with my friends. As I grow, I want to become a teacher and teach the children. I grow when I enjoy outdoor play in PT class. As I grow, I want to become a smart soldier and proudly serve my country. I grow when I feel excited to learn, make friends. As I grow, I want to become a doctor and treat people with care. I grow as I learn how to help people smile and stay healthy. By being careful and gentle, I grow into a helpful dentist. I glow when I dream of flying high in the sky to protect our country, practice and courage. I grow closer to become a fighter jet pilot. I glow, I share my love for dancing. Each day, I grow strongly. I grow like beautiful dancer. I grow when I run and play with lots of energy, staying active and healthy. As I grow, I want to become a police officer and protect people. I want to become a police officer and protect my city. Grow when I am kind, honest, brave, and helping others. I grow become a lawyer. I grow when I am brave, help my friends in the adventure. That being smart and kind, help my friends in the adventure. I grow into like a hero like Iron Man. Excitement, I see aeroplanes flying in the sky. As I grow, I want to become a pilot. When I follow rules in class and I feel happy. As I grow, I want to become a police officer. Help my friends and share my thoughts with happily. As I grow, I want to become a collector and help my community. I grow when I pretend to be a firefighter during roleplay. I feel brave. As I grow, I want to become a firefighter and save people from danger. Grow, I stretch and jump and balance in gymnastics. As I grow, I want to become a gymnastic champion. I grow as I teach my friends how to keep their eyes healthy. With practice and patience, I grow into a doctor who helps everyone see well. I glow when I count my coins and learn how to save, spend wisely. I will become stronger and smarter like a banker. I glow when I teach my friends, learning new things every day with kindness, with love and kindness, I grow into a teacher. I glow when I learn about airplanes and to fly closer to becoming a pilot. I glow when I hit big sixes and pass between the wickets. Step by step, I grow stronger, ready to play for India. So, I use blocks and shapes to create amazing structures. As I grow, I want to become an engineer. Many new things and explore with curiosity. As I grow, I want to become an artist and paint colorful artwork. I grow when I show courage and stand strong. As I grow, I want to become an army officer, serve and protect my country. Grow when I felt that excited about learning new things and making new friends. As I very soon.